Hey guys, this is a quick review of the Milwaukee 2626-20, their multi-tool, their oscillating tool. This is an M18. Currently I have a 5.0 on there, and it's got 12 speed settings. Super easy to adjust, firm detents for those adjustments, and after having used corded ones for so long, this thing has been just amazing to use. I did some siding work with this and just absolutely loved it. So it's got a slow ramp up, if you can see that. So I have it on 12 there. Let me put it on the lowest setting and you can get the idea. And as you go through the settings, it slowly moves up to that next setting. So it's pretty easy on itself and doesn't have any harsh transitions. But it is a dream to cut with. This thing, it's very comfortable. It is pretty big in the hand, but it works very, very well. So one little tip that I learned from another maker somewhere, they were talking about kind of how you use the oscillating tool. And when you're cutting plywood, or in my case, I was using siding, if you bring it towards yourself, so with the angle like this, with this raised up slightly, it tends to work a lot easier than pushing. And so I'm just going to demonstrate that. So it's a lot easier to follow a straight line. Actually, let me just go ahead and square that off and show you. It's a lot easier to follow a marked line if you do it that way. Yeah, good enough. Okay, here you go. So you get the idea. I'm not going to draw this out, but that was a game changer for me. I can't remember who it was, otherwise I'd give him credit for it, but that was a huge help and basically has made my usage of this even better and made me love it even more. It's a lot easier to cut straight lines and do it consistently. To swap out the blade or change the angle of it, you basically pop the thing up there, and then you can just use a flathead. You can use a coin if you wanted to, and gives you, obviously, like all oscillating tools, gives you the flexibility of putting it at a variety of different angles. Although I almost 100% of the time have used it straight on. I have used it at a right angle for a couple of jobs, but gives you a lot of flexibility. You have options, and a lot of different blades out there now, different material types, different types of material for these blades. So you got all kinds of options, and I think the oscillating tool, the multi-tool, is one of my most indispensable power tools for a bunch of jobs that I've used it for. So I love these things, and I'd highly recommend this one in particular. The Milwaukee multi-tool is excellent. So this is the 2626-20.